So in our Counterstrike kitchen, we have a few really cool features. Standard, as we always do with the Counterstrike range, we've got the veggie sprayer. Our big, beautiful windows have got the clip locks. This is just nice because they don't flip open and close when you're not doing anything for them to do that. Lots of storage in here. And I know Trev is really comfortable, but I'm gonna make him get up because he informed me earlier something about our drawers that I actually didn't know before. I thought it was just a cool feature because everybody wants soft closed drawers, but tell them why it's really functional too.
Yeah, so the soft close drawers are nice at home, as we just seen. But actually in a van, especially an off-road van, when you're going over the corrugations, there's a lot of pressure on the latches, especially in a heavy drawer that's trying to hold things from moving around. So the soft close feature actually helps to hold the drawer closed, which is nice. And these are actually quite an expensive drawer runner. And so the weight actually sits on the rails on the drawer. So it sits on top of these rails instead of on the side, and the brackets are held at the bottom and the side. So the drawer setup, all the screws, everything, they're all set up ready for corrugated roads to not kind of rattle apart. So there's a lot less maintenance, and you should really never have a failure of these sort of drawers.
We did discuss thoughtfulness in this van.
Yeah.
That is a thoughtful feature that, like I say, I didn't know that was one of the benefits of it until today. So
I love the waterfall bench top too.
I do too. The whole van's beautiful.
Yeah.
So continuing again with the kitchen, we've got plenty of overhead storage space in here. So yeah, you're not gonna suffer for room for places to put stuff.